In the Selection tab, you can add, customize, and edit products in your jobs. Start with the Product drop-down. Select the category of the product you're interested in. Next, click the Model drop-down and select the product you're looking for. Your cursor will automatically go to the Width field. Enter the width, height, and quantity of the item, pressing Tab on your keyboard between each field. After hitting Tab in the Quantity field, your cursor will be in the Mark Tag field. This is optional information for your job, so fill it in if needed. Once you've finished, press Tab again to get the price of this item. If more panels are required for your entered dimensions, they will automatically be added to your item after you get the price. Select your part options using these drop-downs. Some drop-downs may be disabled, but may also become enabled based on your other part options selections. When you've finished making your selections, click on the Save button and the item will be saved to your job.